Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful granny square. First you need your selected yarn. I will use Neko satin yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. First make a slip knot, then chain 6 stitches, join with a slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring. Chain 6 to make the first round. One double crochet in the ring space. Then chain 3 and one double crochet stitch in the same ring space. Then chain 3. Repeat this. Repeat this to make 8 chain spaces. Check your numbers. Join with a slip stitch in the third chain. Now you finished the first round. Round number 2. Slip stitch in the next chain space. Then chain 4. Then make 4 treble crochet stitches in the same space. Then chain 7. One single crochet stitch in the next chain space. Another 7 stitches. Then crochet 5 treble stitches in the next chain space. Check your numbers. Chain 7, then one single crochet stitch in the next chain space. Repeat chain 7, then 5 trebles in the next chain space. Repeat this. Repeat to finish the second round. Join with a slip stitch in the first treble stitch to finish the second round. To make the round number 3, chain 4, then make 3 treble cluster stitch together. The first cluster by making 1 treble with only twice pull through, skip it, then make another one in the next space. Repeat this to make 3 together, then yarn over and pull through 4 loops, then chain 7, one single crochet in the next chain space, then chain 5, then 1 single crochet stitch in the next chain space, then chain 7, then make 4 treble stitches cluster by making 4 trebles with only pull through twice. Repeat this in each treble space to make 4 trebles cluster. After you finished the 4 trebles with only twice pull through, now you have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, then pull through all loops on the hook. Repeat this. Repeat the 7 chains, then 1 single crochet in the next chain space, then chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, then chain 7, then make 1 cluster in the next treble stitch. Repeat this to finish the 4 sides. In the last, join with a slip stitch in the first cluster stitch chain like this. Join with a slip stitch, then chain 1, fasten off and weaving ends. Now you finished the first granny square. To make the next granny squares and joining, watch the next videos on the Crochet Shop by Nano. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up. To see more, see you, bye bye.